Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use TimePicker in Flutter. Okay, I've created this new Flutter project and I've opened it on VS Code. Now let's open up the lib folder, and inside the lib folder let's create new file. Let's say home screen dot file, and here let's create a stateful widget and let's send the class name to home screen. Now here let's return the scaffold. Now open up the main.dart file and let's remove this stateless widget. Let's create new stateless widget and let's send the class name to my app. Okay, perfect. Now let's return here material app. Okay, now give the home to the material app that home screen we have just created, and you will get this blank white screen. Now let's remove this debug banner also from inside the material app. Let's make debug show check mode banner false, and it will remove this banner. Now let's close main.dart file and open up the home screen. Okay, over here let's define the null label time of day. Let's say selected time. Okay, now let's create the future void function to pick the time. Let's say pick time. Okay, define the time of day, and execute show time picker. Okay, and let's make the initial date. Initial time with current time. Okay, with this time of day dot now it will show the initial time, and write the condition if peak time or if time not equals to null, then we update the UI. Okay, now we'll fill up this selected time, the new time that we have been picked by the show time picker. Okay, we have defined the nullable time, selected time here. Okay, now let's give the body to the scaffold, give the column and children. Let's create the text widget here, right here. Let's say selected time, and below here let's create the elevated button, and let's keep the onPress function blank for now. Give the child text widget. Let's say select, or let's say pick time. Okay, now let's show that text and this column in the center. Wrap this column with the center widget. Okay, now also let's make the main axis alignment to the center to this column, and this also here. Now let's give this size box below the text widget. Give the height of 20, and it will create the space. Okay, let's style this also. Let's give the style to the text. Let's give the font size maybe 27, and make the font weight dot bold. Okay, perfect. Now we execute this function we have created here. When we press the elevated button, let's change this. Let's execute that function from here. Okay, perfect. Now if you click on it, it will show this time picker. Okay, and you can pick the time. Okay, like this. And now let's show the pick time to this here. Okay, let's write the condition if selected time. We have defined the selected time over here. Okay, if selected time equals to null, then we show this text, otherwise we show the selected time. If we convert it to a string, and here you go, here is the selected time. Okay, and also let's format this selected time with the format. Okay, okay, time can be nullable, so let's keep the null check here, and you will see this formatted time like this. Now let's pick the time again. Here you go, 4:15 p.m. Let's make it a.m. Okay, perfect. Okay, guys, this is how you can create the time picker in Flutter. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe my channel for more videos like this.